youth them. You understand? Muta Baruka would rather blame the regular artist, which is an entertainer. You know what I mean? A DJ is an entertainer, you know. He's not a leader like you, Muta. You understand? You have been on the radio for years. You understand? You are a religious leader here in Jamaica. What have you done? You understand? To rehabilitate youth from a life of crime. You understand? What are the things that you have put in place with all the money that you have made throughout the years? Because many of you listen to you too in a Muta. So shouldn't you blame yourself for enough of the crime and violence that you see, as opposed to blaming entertainers, which are not leaders? And of course, I'm not saying that, you know what I mean, once you reach a certain level of popularity, there is no responsibility. But remember, an entertainer is not a leader. You claim to have knowledge, Muta. You understand, which is not knowledge, because you teach the children of Israel that they are Africans. So why are you complaining when they behave like Africans? Aren't Africans savages?